Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to make use of Lightning Aura component so that we can provide buttons to the agents using which they can set their omni-channel status. For example, here currently my omni-channel widget status is offline. If I click all channels, then my omni-channel status will be online and it should be all. If I click break, then it will set my omni-channel status to busy and break. Let's see the code behind this Lightning Aura component. I'm using Omni Toolkit API, using which I can set the status. I have a lightning card. Inside that I have couple of buttons, one for all channels and the other one is for break. If I click any of the buttons, it will call set omni channel status method. In set omni channel status method, using event.getSource.getLocalID, I'm getting the button ID that was pressed. Next, I am setting a variable omni obj omni toolkit equal to component.find of omni toolkit ID. So I'm trying to find this omni toolkit API component. I have a simple console.log statement. I'm just checking which button is clicked. I'm declaring a variable called str status ID, which will be equal to this value or this value based on the button clicked. If the button label clicked is all, then it will set the status as this one. Else it will set the status to this one. Here I'm using all and here I'm using break. So if I click all channels, then it will pass all. If I click break, it will pass break. So based on the button that was clicked, the status ID will be set here. In order to get this status ID, we can make use of select ID comma developer name from service present status object or entity. When you query this particular service present status object or entity, it will return the 18 digit ID. But when we use set service present status using Omni Toolkit, we have to pass the 15 digit ID. So here I'm using only 15 digit ID. So we can remove the last 3 digit and then you have to use the first 15 digit. Using Omni Toolkit.service present status, I am passing the status ID based on the button that was clicked, and then using set service present status, the status is set. Using console.log statements, if there are any errors and if this transaction is successful, I'm just displaying the result and error for troubleshooting and debugging purpose. So usually we can allow the agents to set their omni-channel status by button clicks using Omni Toolkit API. Please check the video description. In the video description, I have shared my blog post. From the blog post, you should be able to get the sample code which we referenced in this video. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.